Hey guys, like and subscribe, and I'll keep bringing you more of these videos.
All right, so another hack to those who probably are as stupid as I am and broke the BMW N55 engine valve cover, which is this little piece right here, this annoying little piece. When you're removing it, there's no way that, I mean, you know, as depending on how careful you are and how much of an expert you are, more than likely you're gonna end up breaking it. Hopefully you don't, but if you do, here's a little hack. Take some form of crazy glue or whatever. Here's what I did. Now I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but people probably don't shame me for it. I ended up kind of sticking it back, and I stuck it back with this regular cement, PVC cement. Again, I know this is probably a bad idea, but again, I already plan on opening this thing again. So when I open it again, I'm gonna have to fix this for permanent. But if you're gonna do this temporarily, yeah, try this out. Try just sticking it back with a cement, PVC cement, and hope it works.
I also forgot to mention that a new one of these costs us like $600, so save yourself $600. Like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.